Oh, whew, I thought my mag fell out. I was about to cry.
Yeah, they're about impossible to find if you drop them too. There we go. Ready, God, this thing doesn't sweat up. I could, but you would yell and complain about it. Oh, he did shoot him. I don't think I'd bent over or sat down since I got here. So where'd you get your ghillie suit at?
I've had this thing for so long I really can't remember. I'm pretty sure I bought it on Craigslist.
Oh, that's cool.
I used to have one a lot thicker than this that had like jute rags and stuff.
Oh,
on it.
nice. You could take some of this stuff and...
It was so hot that I couldn't stand it, so I got this one. It's so, I mean, it's mesh. That's all it is.
Pretty much, with some, leaves hanging off the side, I guess. You can make your own, but really, I mean, why would you want to? It takes forever.
Yeah.
Let's see if my laser's working. There we go. Dang it. Never seen what kind of happens.
One thing I can't stand about being a sniper is freaking goggles. I have tried every doggone goggles that I could find. Tried the safe face ones.
Everybody get back to their A and B team. On left and right side. B team's over there.
Hey, where's your opro?
A team's
In my pocket.
Where's Trace at?
Huh?
Where's Trace's team?
Trace was on B team.
Where's B team?
Over here.
I'm on A.
I'm on B.
I'm on B.
All right, everybody.
Ass.
Yeah, basically.
Oi.
And I'm chubby.
Hey. Hey.
You know when you
All right, we got to
booty
do the
juices,
same thing they were doing. We need to take that bait, have the
gotta
flag
clean them
up, right?
So the objective is to capture the flag, or?
Oh, God.
It's essentially capture the flag, but we're doing a little more complex.
switch teams?
No, I've been over
So
here.
like when you're in like basic.
If B team goes through the creek line and comes up and takes the embassy side,
Like,
you also
do your
come
boots
through
smell bad the whole
because
time?
they're going to be right there.
Oh yeah, you go into that bay with 60 privates, and that bay smells like straight up carcasses in there.
Ideas. You got
I
ideas.
believe
No matter
it.
how much you bay, it
hoping to
smells
go
like
on
asshole
the
regardless.
right
This tree line.
I want to do like
Last match I was west.
Like you can get in the creek line and go up. You don't have to get in the creek, but you can run the creek line.
Alright.
And it's the second left, not the first one, because that puts you out in the middle of the field. The second one puts you at the chapel. Third one puts you right over near the embassy.
Yeah.
The second one's the best one to come out of.
Camera died. Is it on?
I heard somebody with the radio. It's hurt.
You still have yours?
I have mine on.
Okay.
Nice
Well, I
goggles.
guess we'll hit it from two different, from left and the right.
Oh.
Let's see. Better make it down here. Because they outnumber us by far.
My drill brother showed me one big people.
Or we could all
He made
stay
fun
right
of me
here
when
as
I
a
got
reserve force
Dropped 60
and have an
pounds
assault
in
team
2.5
move
months.
up that
Believe
way.
it.
Once they start attacking, we can go in.
Is my thing still on?
I don't know.
Or it's like a
Look at
light?
me.
I can't tell.
I see a blue light.
Okay, it's
Or I
recorded.
did.
Thank you.
Wait, turn back around. Yeah, I see a
Or we could
blue
block the
flashing
entire
light.
creek line. and
Yeah,
come
all
down
three of
by
my
the roof
platoons
line.
are just
Okay,
for
so
right
right at the back.
Rangers.
Yeah.
So when you piss
Oh,
them
down.
off, you're
Just
running
kill
around
it.
like full battle rattle going around the company area.
All right, we can hit this. Looking at it,
You
we got
ever
a
piss
left
them
and a
off?
right side.
Hell yeah, I pissed them off.
I'm sprinting down
I
that
was a
wood
smart
line.
ass.
Straight to something.
Left side will get you good on Chapel.
I don't know.
Right
They
side will
can
get you
go.
close to that building now.
Okay, well, I'm going to follow chapters.
Hey, B team, we're gonna move on Chapel first.
Alright, what's the plan for Alpha?
We're moving on the Chapel first.
Oh, I know what you're doing.
Alright, sir.
Which way you want, boss man?
Yes, sir. What do you want?
Hey, the horses on the hill. Roger that.
Oh, shit.
They're all
Yeah.
rushing the left side.
They are.
So this is Swamp left side.
I'm thinking we hit that creek line and come up on that side. We don't have to come up by the embassy. We could come up and come right around behind the warehouse. We need to get behind the warehouse. If we go through the woods, we're going to take fire.
So we're supposed
Hey,
to capture the yellow flag.
We're going to come down the creek line and try to get behind the warehouse where they're spawning us.
Oh, that creek line?
Uh-huh.
Is that not where they're going?
They're going there to assault us. We're going to pass them.
6 down there.
Alright, so what's the objective to capture the yellow flag?
Yeah, I already lost.
Hang on. Well, yeah, but everybody's up there.
So,
Presley, there's like 15 people up there, dude. You need to pull back. Hey, Presley's stuck. We need to pull him out. Where are you at? In the tree line or where you at? Where are you at, Presley?
He just threw a grenade. Somebody did.
Presley, where are you at? White truck, we're moving on the white truck. Wait the other side.
Got him. I'm going up to the black thing. Whoa! I see him. Contact over there. Whoa, dang it. Someone has a sniper rifle over there.
Yeah.
Contact at the truck.
Behind you. I got hit. I'll be back in a minute. Get a plan going to get in that trench and breach it.
No one's on top of the truck.
Cover and fire.
I don't see anyone in the warehouse. We can go. Whoa! They have a sniper in the back of the warehouse. Careful. Hey guys, there's a sniper in the back of the warehouse. Or someone with a long-range weapon. I think he's a support guy. Oh! I think I hit him.
Mark.
You hit? Dang it, we're pinned down.
We're going to try to hit the embassy. That way we can blow you off cover fire.
Linus.
Hey, move on the embassy.
Alright.
Y'all ready? Everybody got free?
Coming down.
Embassy, top level of the embassy.
I think I got hit.
Yeah.
Hit! Hey, hit. Yeah, this way. Woo.
Might not want to stand.
Oh, that's why it doesn't work. Let me see. There we go. Hey, can you speak in your radio? I think I fixed mine.
Huh?
Are we still on channel 9?
Yeah.
Hey, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Alright. Spawn points where? Jeez, get off your damn ringer. Sir, I think they're meeting up here at spawn. Someone said that.
Yeah.
What's the plan, boss man?
Presley, I think we need to hit through the creek line and hit that embassy.
I tried that. There's a gunner and a sniper in the back.
Around and go through the factory. Take them from behind.
Now they're all in the woods because they're expecting us to come the same way they did when we attacked them. There ain't nobody watching that side.
Let's go.
Well, so here's the thing. There's a sniper in the back. I almost got hit 3-4 times by a sniper in the back of the.
Gary.
We can go that way.
Oh, we're sneaky.
All right, I got the back if you want to go.
No, I got it.
All these kids you play with, they all go one direction. Ow. He's coming. He's behind. He was behind. There he is.
So plans to breach this house.
Can we come to this private property at the back like this?
Joe's family owns it.
Oh, okay.
Careful. Cody's in the cab of the
All right.
white truck.
Okay. Sounds good, sir.
He's shooting from inside through the open window.
Okay. Hey, I can go out the back of the warehouse if you guys want and flush them out.
What we can do, Gary, come here. Is Chapter and them in here, or did they go to the front?
They're right here.
If they're attacking from the side, let's try to work our way to our spawn point. You want to do that? Yeah. You come around, that way we can hit them straight. The embassy's right from behind.
Coming through their spawn valley.
Close contact. Sounds good.
Go.
Oh, damn it, I lost my gun.
We'll go back.
We need to angle that way.
I'm gonna go back and look for it.
Alright.